Hey, what's up, me Jaguars? It's Mr. Rogers, and today I will be showing you guys how to make a wet mount slide. Alright, before we begin, everyone should have a sample of some pond water, a water dropper, a blank slide, and a plastic cover slip. So before we proceed, let's make sure we're following all safety rules. Let's make sure you have long hair tied back. Alright, so first step, let's grab this water dropper. In order to fill this water dropper with water, you need to squeeze the rubber, the black rubber at the top, hold it, put it inside the pond water, and release the black rubber. Alright, and you can shake it a little bit, just so all the drip stop. Next step, let's take our pond water, and let's just squeeze one drop onto our blank slide. Perfect, that's it, one drop. And you can squeeze the rest into the container, and you can lay your water dropper down. Alright, next step, let's take our blank plastic cover slip, peel the little plastic piece off it. We're going to take our cover slip and we're going to hold it, and we're going to just drop it. Alright, going to drop it on a drop of water. Ta-da! And we are done with our wet mount slide. So you pick it up, you can see it. Alright, try to be careful with it, do not turn it sideways, it might slide off. And now we can put this under the microscope and look at some cool things.